This is an example for a linear equation in which points which are in integral form as well as irrational form. Verify whether those 2 points are solutions or not. So, how to verify whether it is a solution or not? Substitute the given point x coordinate value and y coordinate value in the linear equation. If it satisfies, it is a solution, otherwise not a solution. Now, take the first point, first subdivision, x equal to 4 and y equal to 3. This is linear equation 1. The given linear equation is 3y minus 2x equal to 1. So, what is equation 1 implies? Equation 1 implies 3 into, very important, the given equation is not in standard order, it is in reverse order. So, focus more on the given data. So, most of the time you can easily substitute y equal to, you can assume y equal to 4. Always the linear equation x variable is the first and y variable is the second, but here it is y is the first variable. So, what is the corresponding value of y? Y is 3. So, 3 into 3 minus 2 into 4. 2 into 4 equal to 1, which implies, so 3 into 3 9 minus 8 equal to 1, which implies 1 equal to 1. Yes, it satisfies this. Therefore, 4 comma 3 is a solution. Solution of linear equation 1. Solution of linear equation 1. Similarly, verify second point. The second point is x equal to 2 root 2, y equal to 3 root 2. Substitute in the linear equation. So, what is equation 1 implies? 1 is 3 into y. Again, not the value of x, value of y. The value of y is 3 root 2 minus 2 into 2 root 2 equal to 1. Correct? Which implies 3 into 3, 9 root 2 minus 2 into 2, 4 root 2 equal to 1, which implies 5. 9 root 2 minus 3 root 2, that is nothing but 5 root 2. 5 root 2 equal to 1, which is not possible. And hence, what is the conclusion now? 2 root 2 comma 3 root 2 is not a solution. Solution of 1 is not a solution of 1. If it satisfies, it is a solution. If it does not satisfy, it is not a solution. You can expect similar sums in 1 mark or MCQ or subjective questions. Thank you.